Vertical Doors, Inc., the #1 Lambo door manufacturer in the world.
My name is James Rosella. I won Best of Modern Mopar. Came out. It's a fun community. You come here for the experience, and if you're chasing the trophy, then you ain't here for the right thing, man, because you got the best people out here, the best cars, and the best crew to help you out.
Vertical Doors' most popular kits are always in stock and ready to ship. Like, share, subscribe, and tag. Hundreds of models available. For sales and installation, please contact Vertical Doors Incorporated.